In our transmission session, we're talking first about the tools and capabilities that transmission system operators need to be able to plan and operate the future power system. There's lots of different parts of the power system are changing, how we consume electricity, how we generate electricity and move it. All of those different components are changing, and the methods and the tools that we use to be able to keep up with that change need to evolve too. How to bring the customer-owned assets that might be on the distribution system into the transmission system. How can we make that boundary work, or the cooperation between transmission, distribution work, to access the value and the flexibility from distributed energy resources, and then socialize that benefit across everybody who's connected to the transmission network. The third topic in that discussion is focused on how to make sure that there's enough power when we need it, and not just within the energy sector, but also across the other sectors that electricity is tightly coupled to. So we're starting to talk more about sector coupling and how do we advance the thinking of how those different sectors, be it hydrogen, transport, heat, link together with the electricity system in the future. And finally, the last discussion looks at actually building that transmission system that we need. What are the technologies? How do we go about implementing them and developing the grid that we need in a timeline that actually can deliver the targets that we have for the systems.
We had a very good presentation on several topics, facilitate discussions on technical issues. Yeah, it was very good to get the contact to other people from institutes, from research institutes, from TSOs, DSOs, generation utilities. Yeah, I think it's a starting point for future discussions on the challenges and solutions. I think it's beneficial to work with EPRI in two dimensions. So first is that we participate the R&D results. So we get the models, the support, the expertise from the EPRI experts. But there's also the possibility that EPRI brings together the different participators of market and grid.